My name is Terry Powers. I'm the equipment officer for San Diego Fire Department. I'm here to discuss PPE care and maintenance. Our department has embarked into this program. It's because the number one reason is the safety of the firefighters. By having an established PPE care and maintenance program, we can ensure that the turnouts and the PPE garments that firefighters are wearing meet or exceed all NFPA guidelines. It's good to have that is because you can catch something that could be problematic, that could result in the injury or death of a firefighter. Also, by having a scheduled maintenance, we can ensure that the garment actually fits the firefighter properly. The firefighter may gain weight, lose weight, and we could keep records on that and to make sure that the garment is fitting the firefighter properly. As we all know, that a garment that's a little too tight will transfer heat a lot faster. Also, record keeping. We can keep track of all the garments, when they were washed, when they were inspected, and when they need to be washed and inspected in the upcoming year. We have approximately 1,200 firefighters, so it's an enormous task we're undertaking right now, but we feel that the cost benefit on it, it's a no-brainer. We have to do it, not only because the guidelines are established and the rules are there, but it ensures that we have firefighters that the garment they're wearing has the best protection that they could possibly have. And if we can find something wrong right away and ensure that that garment doesn't go out in service and gets repaired, that's what we're looking for. To expand on the concept of care and maintenance, what a firefighter cannot see on a layman's eyes is let's say the moisture barrier. If there's any holes, rips, any wears, that is an important factor that firefighters aren't aware of. Just the thermal liner, the moisture barrier, the outer shell. Firefighters inherently will just take the garment and wear it whether it has holes or not. They don't care. They'll go out and do their job. That's what they're here to do. They're here to do a job. But by taking a second and taking a look at the garment, making sure that someone who is qualified to take a look at the garment who can analyze and make sure that the outer shell is fine, the moisture barrier is fine, the thermal liner is fine, the helmet's fine, the turnout boots are fine, all the while on PPE. Go through it all, take a second and have those elements professionally checked. That's key. But because I've been in the department for 24 years, I know what it's like. I've put on turnouts that I shouldn't have been wearing, but you just do because it's just you don't want to take the time to go out and have it inspected. You'd rather just wear it. You'll get the job done. By having a program that takes that guesswork away, you have a scheduled program that the garment has to turn up and be inspected. It's kind of like a timeout. Let's take a look because you're only as good as your protection. You're in the front line and your turnouts are on the front line.